Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is spicy rasam. In Kannada, we call this rubsaru. Let's begin. A piece of ginger, few pieces of onion, green chillies, chopped tomatoes. For this, I am using dal, which I have already cooked. I am going to add in few leaves of coriander to grind. Make this into a fine paste. Pureed dal and vegetable mixture. And the dal water I am going to add in now. Salt to taste, tamarind extract, I want to boil this for a little longer in a lower flame. Let's make the seasoning. I am using ghee, some mustard. When it is crackling, I am going to add in hing and few curry leaves. The seasoning is ready. I am going to add the seasoning. Now the rasam is ready to serve. Please do like, share and subscribe.